Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, the channel where we bring you the inside scoop on everything you need to know before you buy. Today, we're checking out the Mironi Personal 500-watt Mini Blender and Smoothie Maker with Grinder Cup. And I can already tell you, it's not just your average blender. This compact powerhouse promises to handle everything from smoothies to grinding spices and nuts, all with a single push of a button. But does it live up to that promise? Let's find out. The Mironi Mini Blender is a 2-in-1 system designed for quick, easy blending and grinding. It comes equipped with a 500-watt copper motor, which is surprisingly powerful for a compact unit like this. It also features stainless steel blades, which are built to handle everything from fruits and vegetables to tougher ingredients like nuts and coffee beans. The blender includes two 20-ounce bottles with to-go lids for convenience, making it perfect for busy mornings when you're running out the door. Plus, it comes with a 13-ounce grinder cup, making it a versatile option for more than just smoothies. Grind your favorite spices or nuts with ease. The entire unit is BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and made with food-grade Tritan material, which means it's both durable and safe for the family. Now, how does it perform in the real world? Well, after using it for a few days, I can tell you that this blender is impressively fast. The 500-watt motor really does make a difference. Blending fruits and vegetables took no more than 20 seconds, which is exactly what you want when you're in a rush. The blades cut through everything smoothly without any hesitation. And the best part? There's no complicated setup or settings to worry about. Just drop your ingredients in, press the button, and in a matter of seconds, you have a perfectly blended smoothie. Whether you're in a hurry or looking to make a quick snack, this blender excels in that department. But let's get into the nitty-gritty of the pros and cons. On the plus side, the power behind this blender is fantastic. For such a compact unit, the 500-watt motor really delivers. The ease of use is another standout feature. It's basically foolproof. Just press the button and it does all the work for you. It's also pretty versatile. You can grind spices or make nut butter without breaking a sweat, and the to-go bottles are a really nice touch if you need something portable. The design is also sleek, and it doesn't take up much counter space, which is perfect for those with limited space in the kitchen. On the flip side, one thing I did notice is the size. While it's a great single-serve blender, it's not really ideal if you're looking to make larger batches. You're limited by the capacity of the bottles and cups, which means if you're trying to make smoothies for more than one person, you'll have to go through multiple rounds. Also, while the one-button operation is super convenient, there's no way to adjust the blending speed, which could be a limitation if you're looking for more control over your blending. And while the grinding cup does a good job, if you're looking to grind larger quantities of coffee or nuts at once, you might find it a bit on the small side. Now let's talk about value for money. The Mironi Mini Blender offers great versatility at a reasonable price. It's not the cheapest option out there, but you're getting a product that's both powerful and durable. Compared to similar blenders in this price range, the Mironi stands out for its ability to grind spices and nuts, something that's often reserved for more expensive models. And when you consider the 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, you're getting peace of mind along with the product. That said, if you don't need the grinding feature or are just looking for a basic smoothie maker, you can find alternatives at a lower price. But for those who want that extra functionality, this blender is definitely a solid choice. When comparing the Mironi to similar products, it's clear that it holds its own. For instance, the NutriBullet is often seen as a go-to for personal blenders, but the Mironi goes a step further by including that grinder cup, which the NutriBullet lacks. On the other hand, the NutriBullet does come with a larger capacity, making it a better option if you need to make multiple servings at once. Another competitor would be the Magic Bullet, which is priced similarly, but lacks the power and versatility of the Mironi in terms of grinding capabilities. If you're just after smoothies, you might lean towards those options. But if you want something that can do a bit of everything, the Mironi has a distinct advantage in terms of functionality. Build quality is another area where the Mironi shines. The materials feel solid, and the stainless steel blades are sharp, which is essential for smooth blending. The entire unit feels well constructed and should stand up to regular use without issue. While I haven't had the blender for long enough to comment on long-term durability, the 2-year warranty adds a layer of reassurance. Based on the build and materials, I'd expect it to last if well taken care of, and the brand's reputation for customer service adds confidence for any potential issues. As for customer support, I haven't had to reach out yet, but the Mironi brand does offer a 2-year warranty, which is a decent coverage period. Plus, they provide lifetime technical support, which is always a good sign. The brand seems to be on top of any potential issues, and their promise of free troubleshooting makes the product feel a little more reliable, especially for new users. In conclusion, the Mironi Personal Mini Blender offers impressive value for its price. The 500-watt motor ensures fast blending, the grinder cup gives it versatility, and the compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens. It's a great option for anyone looking for a quick, convenient blender that can do a bit more than just smoothies. While it might not be the best fit for larger batches or those who need more control over their blending, it's definitely worth considering for single-serve needs. Whether you're making smoothies, grinding spices, or preparing a quick salad dressing, the Mironi does it all efficiently and safely. Thank you for watching Reviews Inside TV. If you've got questions or thoughts about this product, feel free to drop them in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our reviews. And if you've used the Mironi Mini Blender, let us know how it's worked out for you. Till next time, stay blended.